previously we styled our buttons, which happen to be our unordered list, inside of our div with the class buttons. And if you recall, we were able to see our unordered list. I can't really select the bullets, but you might be able to see them there on the background, right here and right up here. But it's the bullets to the list. We want to get rid of those bullets. What we're going to do is go back right after our main nav buttons, that div, which positions our unordered list. We're going to now target main nav buttons again, and then we'll drill down a little further to the unordered list. So main nav, then buttons, and then the unordered list in our compound selector. And what we do is we zero out the margin and the padding, and we're going to set the list style type to none. This gets rid of the bullets. So let's go ahead and find the list item, and let's just add our anchor element, and we'll do one here on next, like so. And if we open an anchor is a closed element, so let's make sure we close our anchor correctly, like so. After the anchor, let's go ahead, href equals, and our quote mark. And we're going to do the same for this one here. Href equals quote. So in this href, I'm going to paste the path. So in this example, we're using the MAT server for the, and it looks like I got an extra index in there. Now let's just go ahead and copy this same path. So what you need to do is make sure you're going to change this to the name of the student that has the folder right above yours on the server. On this one, you're going to change the student's name to the student just underneath your folder. And if they have created an exercise 4 folder and they've created an index, then the link should be complete.